Want to transform your Procreate Lineart from blah to breathtaking in minutes? I've got you covered with my top secret tips and easy techniques. Let's start with the brushes. Procreate's default technical pen and ink bleed are solid choices, but don't forget to explore the Brush Studio. Oh, and a little secret, I have created a custom set of brushes that are perfect for line art, and I've popped the link in the description below if you'd like to try them out in your own work. Okay, so the first hack is Procreate StreamLine and Stabilization. Nothing worse than shaky lines. StreamLine is your best friend for smoothing out those shaky strokes. And if you really need a steady hand, crank up the stabilization setting. It's kind of like having a built-in autocorrect for your lines. Sketching is where the magic begins. Keep it loose. I like to start off with something like the Procreate pencil or the HB or 6B pencil. I sometimes will go into the brush settings and adjust the streamline and stabilization just so that I have a looser brush mark. Or you can use my sketchy liner in my line art set. Once you're happy with your base sketch, add a new layer and switch to one of your inking brushes. The technical pen works wonderfully for this, and don't be afraid to experiment with different line weights. That's what gives your art personality. Mess-ups happen to the best of us. Procreate's eraser tool and undo gestures are lifesavers. The quickest way to undo something is to double tap the screen with 2 fingers. And always remember, layers are your best friend. One for your sketch, one for your line art, and you can even add a layer for color later. Play with the opacity on your sketch layer. It really helps make inking a breeze. Want to add some extra depth and interest to your line art? My custom brush set includes a variety of shading textures. Check out this cross-hatching brush for shadows. And this stippling brush for adding a touch of realism with freckles. I'm adding my freckles to a new layer so that I can easily edit and erase them without affecting my drawing beneath. Adding color is a snap with Procreate's color dropper tool. Just tap to select the color that you want and drag it into the shape. And for a little extra flair, I'm going to use my custom rose stamp brushes to add an interesting subtle pattern in the background. Here I just duplicate each rose layer so that I can edit them and move them around individually. Once you're happy with the placement of all your roses, squeeze all those rose layers together to merge them, and now you can erase and edit them as a solid layer. Creating amazing line art isn't rocket science. It just takes a few Procreate secrets and a sprinkle of creativity. Now go out there and make some art. And don't forget to grab my custom line art brush set if you want to make your line art even easier. Thanks for watching.